Yes, good morning everybody and my dear students and viewers. May Tej Bahadur Thapa, mathematics teachers, and today I am going to start class 9 mathematics continues the lesson area of pathway. Area of pathway. And first of all, area of outer path. Area of outer path it is path. Suppose it is length, it is denoted by L, and it is breadth which is denoted by B, and it is path, it is outer path, it is denoted by D or W, any one, it is denoted by D. The wide of the path is D. The wide of the path is D. It is D. It is denoted by D. And length of the ground is L, and ground with path, length of ground with path, it is L plus D, and here also D, and total length is L plus 2D. Total length of the ground with path. Breadth of ground with path, it is wide is B, breadth is B, plus here also D and here also D, plus D 2D. If you find the area of the path, area of path or outer path, big rectangle minus small rectangle, or outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. Outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. Outer rectangle means length into breadth. What is its length? L plus 2D into breadth is B plus 2D. Outer rectangle is length into breadth minus inner rectangle is length into breadth. Multiply please here, LB plus 2LD plus 2BD plus 2 to the 4, D into D, D square, minus L into B. L into B cancel, and take a common please here. What is the common? 2 is common and D also common, 2D bracket, now here L plus, now here B plus, now 2D is remain. So, area of outer path is 2D bracket L plus B plus 2D. What is the area of outer path? the area of outer path is 2D L plus B plus 2D. Dear students, clear everybody? It is the length of the ground and it is outer path. If you find the area of the outer path, then total length of the ground with path is L plus D plus D and breadth is B plus D plus D. So, if you find the area of the outer path, outer rectangle or big rectangle minus small rectangle, because it is shaded part, area of the shaded part or area of the outer path. L into B minus inner rectangle is L into B and multiply please here, and LB and LB is cancelled, 2 is common and D also common and bracket L plus B plus 2D it is. So, we using the formula, area of outer path is 2D L plus B plus 2D. Next please. What is the formula? 2D L plus B plus 2D. Next please. That is the ground. The path is inside the ground. Now here. It is total length is L and it is breadth and wide of the road is D. Now, what is its length? Its length is L minus D means L minus 2D. And it is B minus 2D. B minus 2D. Find the area of the inner path. The area of inner path is what's outer path, outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Here area of inner REC rectangle. Outer rectangle means L into B. Inner rectangle means length is L minus 2D and breadth means B minus 2D. What is length? Length is L and breadth is B. L into B minus and multiplied LB minus 2LD minus 2BD minus plus 4D square. Remove the bracket by minus sign, minus LB minus plus 2LD plus 2BD minus 4D square, and that's one is positive, that's one is negative, and cancel please, and remaining part 2D common, L plus B minus 2 is already common, then 2 is remained, and D square, from D square 1D is common, then 1D is remained, 2D bracket L plus B minus 2D. if you find the area of inner path, so we using the formula 2D L plus B minus 2D. Area of inner path is equals to 2D, same formula just here minus L plus B minus 2D. Area of inner path is 2D L plus B minus 2D. Clear everybody? And next, area of cross path. Area of cross path. And look at here please. Area of cross path. Total length, it is breadth, it is D and it is also D, wide. Same figure, that figure is that path is changed into the another side. Both are similar figure. Both are similar figure. It is D. What is that? All is, that's all length. Total length is, it is length, it is a breadth, and total is B, its total is L, just only this much, whole is length minus just subtracts D, and this one is total breadth minus D, B minus D. It is L minus D, it is B minus D. And area of, if you find the cross path, area of cross path, big rectangle minus small rectangle, or L into B, area of big rectangle, RECTANGLE rectangle minus area of small rectangle. Area of big rectangle means whole length breadth L into B minus small rectangle means L minus D, next B minus D. LB minus is minus and LB minus LD minus BD minus minus plus D square. LB minus minus plus LD plus BD minus D square. This one cancel and take a common, D is common, L plus B minus D. What is the formula of area of cross path? The area of the cross path is, D L plus B minus D. This one formula. Clear everybody? And next, some related questions. Question number 1. Question number 1. The length and breadth of the rectangular field are 38 meter and 32 meter respectively. A path of 3 meter wide, is made around the field from outside. It is outer path. Find the area of the path. Question number 1. Solution. Length of rectangular field L is equals to what? 38 meter. Breadth of rectangular field B is equals to what? 32 meter. Wide of path D is equals to 3 meter. It is outer path. Area of outer path A is equals to what? By formula area of outer path A is equals to, you know everybody, the area of outer path. You know everybody, area of outer path. What's 2D? L plus B plus 2D. Inner path 2D, L plus B minus 2D, but it is outer path, and 2 into 3 meter. L means 38 meter, breadth means 32 meter plus 2 into 3 meter. 3 to the 6 meter. Adding please this one. Altogether 78. 3 to the 6, 6 plus 32, 38, 38 plus 38, 8 to the 16, carry over 1, 3, 3, 6, 1, 7. And multiply meter square is required answer. Multiply 76 into 6, that is the, it is required answer. And dear student, please, similar question please try. And question number 2, that is your homeworks. Look at the slide please. Question number 2 is your homeworks, and continue. 2. Question number 2 is homeworks. And next, first of all, look at question number 2. A path of wide is 5 meter is made around a square ground having a edge of 60 meter from inside. Find the area of the path. 2 is homeworks. And next, 3 also homeworks. 2 and 3 homeworks please. Yes. Dear students, please, my time is over. So, thank you everybody. Goodbye. Have a nice day.